Hare Krishna. Today our satsang is Srimad BHAGVADGITA, 9th chapter, 24th shloka. Lord Sri Krishna saying, Ham hi sarva yajnanam bhoktam cha prabhurev cha natu mama bhijananti tatvena taschavantite. The translation for this shloka is, I am the only enjoyer and master of all sacrifices. Therefore, who do not recognize my true transcendental nature fall down. So, Krishna is giving us the formula for happiness. And what is the formula? Formula is enjoyment of Krishna. And if you become associate with Krishna, you will also become an enjoyer. And He is the only enjoyer. That is the big problem. But we are seeking enjoyment other than Krishna. And you can see in the mind and its relation. Mind created various relations according to body. That is mother, father, brother, sister, etc. etc. These all relations are the mind and bodily relations. But behind this there is a soul which is transcendental, beyond mind and body. And because we are beyond mind and body, these mental relations, bodily relations do not satisfy us in total. We still become dissatisfied. And we also go for all enjoyments here. Total enjoyments are insignificant for the soul. Because the soul element is spiritual and it is related to only Krishna. So Krishna says here is, if you do not understand this point, you will fall down in natural. Because you will seek enjoyment elsewhere and again you will experience only pain, sorrow, misery. If you dig the water from stones, you will be frustrated. You have to go to the well where the water is. In the same way, if you want enjoyment, go to the real enjoyer. And Krishna is Ananda Sindhu, is Satchid Ananda. Ananda means enjoyment. So if you want enjoyment, then you have to go to Krishna. Elsewhere is the ocean of sorrows, miseries, troubles. And we tried everywhere except Krishna. That is the mistake we have committed. But no problem. Now itself is the beginning. Start it. And seek enjoyment from Krishna, who is association. And now you may ask me how to associate with Krishna. Just simple. Just fix your mind and intelligence on me. Fix, you will live with me. Krishna says, Gita 8th, 12th chapter, 8th shloka. Okay. So Krishna says, if you do not recognize my tattva, transcendental nature, you will fall down. because you will miss the enjoyment, and without enjoyment life will be hell. And without enjoyment and seeking enjoyment at wrong place is very dangerous. So Krishna says, those who understand my nature, they are fortunate, Mahatmas. So dear devotees, this life is given by God only for enjoyment. There is no other purpose. And the same enjoyment you are searching since your birth till today in various elements. But there was no enjoyment for you till today. Insignificant enjoyment, even what you have achieved. So give up all these sensual enjoyments of mind and directly surrender to Krishna for enjoyment, and he assures that he will give enjoyment. That's all. Thank you and Hare Krishna.